Discover the revolutionary Nano Banana Labs AI, your solution for creating stunning videos in minutes. In today's fast-paced online world, capturing attention is crucial, and this innovative AI video creation software simplifies the process. Whether you're a small business owner, coach, or content creator, you know that producing high-quality visual content can be time-consuming and costly. Nano Banana Labs AI combines the creativity of motion design with the power of automation. With just a few prompts and some templates, you can generate exceptional videos for social media, explainer purposes, and ads, all while saving time and reducing stress. This tool promises to be both affordable and efficient, transforming your ideas into visually engaging content without the need for advanced editing skills or a hefty budget. Join the wave of creators leveraging AI to enhance their video production. Is Nano Banana Labs AI the tool you've been waiting for? In this review, we'll explore its features, user benefits, and performance to help you decide if it deserves a place in your creative toolkit. Don't let your ideas fade into the digital background. Bring them to life with Nano Banana Labs AI. Check the description box for the full written review link. If this video was helpful, give it a like, drop a comment, and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth product reviews and smart business tools.